SEO holds paramount importance for companies aiming to generate revenue. It stands as the foremost, economically sound strategy to comprehensively engage with and capture the attention of potential customers during pivotal moments. The demand of SEO has surged to unprecedented heights as a massive migration of consumers towards online platforms unfolded. Even the most conventionally rooted organizations recognize the imperative to expedite their digital transformation. SEO represents the preeminent and efficient avenue to not only comprehend, but to also connect with customers during critical junctures that hold significance. Multiple brands and enterprises acknowledge, or at times assume, the necessity of SEO for their digital assets, along with the advantageous outcomes stemming from its skillful implementation on their behalf. While undoubtedly enhancing a website's search capability or prominence, SEO's tangible value extends beyond this. The question is, what further tangible benefits does it offer, and what fuels the escalating prominence of SEO? Here are some reasons, regardless of the industry or business size, as to why your business needs SEO to take your brand to the next level. Natural search constitutes a substantial portion of a website's effectiveness for the majority of businesses. It serves as a pivotal element within the buyer journey, playing a crucial role in guiding users towards finalizing conversions or engaging with content. In the realm of marketing awareness, it's common knowledge that Google holds a significantly greater share of search domain to its counterparts such as Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, and a myriad of additional platforms. This isn't to suggest that other search engines lack influence on a brand's visibility. They certainly contribute. However, Google commands a substantial share of the overall search landscape. Nonetheless, it stands out as the unequivocal front runner, underscoring the significance of adhering to its guidelines. Yet, the remaining segment of the market, which is under the purview of alternate engines, holds its own value for brands. This holds particularly true for niche verticals, where voice, visual, and specialized search engines assume pivotal roles. Google, recognized as the world's most frequented website, currently holds the title of the global leader in email provision, boasting an excess of 1 billion users. Notably, YouTube stands as the second largest search platform, with over 2 billion individuals accessing it at least once a month. It's widely acknowledged that a substantial majority of internet users worldwide engage with Google daily for information retrieval. Earning a conspicuous presence as a reliable authority on Google and other search engines invariably garners advantages for a brand. Skillful SEO and a top-tier website propel brands in that direction. The objective of a seasoned SEO professional is to create a robust groundwork for an aesthetically pleasing website, ensuring a streamlined and efficient user experience that can be readily unearthed through search mechanisms. This achievement owes itself to the brand's trustworthiness and credibility of its digital assets. Numerous factors contribute to the establishment of authority within search engines, notably exemplified by Google. Authority is acquired over time as a result of the following aspects: natural links, positive user behavior, machine learning signals, optimize on-page elements, and content. However, solidifying this authority holds the potential to yield greater benefits for a brand compared to the majority. The challenge lies in the fact that constructing trust and credibility is a gradual process, mirroring real-life interactions. Authority is something that is gradually garnered and constructed over time. Adhering to Google's EAT guidelines is of paramount importance to guarantee favourable outcomes. Cultivating a brand status as an authoritative figure necessitates patience, diligence, and dedication. It hinges on providing a valuable, high-quality product or service that fosters a sense of trust within customers. ranging from comprehending significant shifts within the market landscape to delving into intricate specifics of consumer intent. SEO provides insights into desires and requirements of customers. The information and structures derived from SEO, whether in spoken or written form, furnish us with unmistakable indications of user intent and behavioral patterns. It does this in the following ways: search data query, SERP analysis, analytics data, and AI insights. The paramount concern for every marketer is now centered around user experience. The aspiration for enhanced organic rankings and utmost visibility is, well, paramount. Yet only a handful acknowledge that achieving an impeccable user experience plays a substantial role in attaining these objectives. Google has acquired the ability to decipher whether a user experience is favorable or unfavorable, and a positive user experience has morphed into a pivotal factor, contributing to the triumph of a website. The introduction of Google's Page Experience Update necessitates the adherence of marketers across all sectors, aligning with their enduring emphasis on refining the customer experience. Customers possess a clear sense of their preference. When unable to locate their desired content, issues are bound to arise, inevitably leading to a decline in performance. A vivid illustration of crafting a robust user experience is exemplified by Google's evolution into an answer engine, promptly delivering the coveted information directly on the search engine results pages. The underlying objective is to furnish users with the sought-after data through a streamlined process, minimizing clicks and ensuring swift access. Distinguished SEO encompasses a favorable user experience, harnessing its potential to yield advantageous outcomes for a brand. With the rise and growing domination of mobile traffic, local search has become a fundamental part of small and medium-sized businesses' success. Localized SEO endeavors to enhance your digital assets for a specific geographical area, streamlining the process for individuals to swiftly and effortlessly locate you, bringing them a step closer to completing a transaction. Fine-tuned optimizations concentrate on distinct neighborhoods, towns, cities, and regions, creating an effective channel for a brand's messaging on a local scale. SEO experts achieve this by refining the brand's website and its content, incorporating local citations and backlinks alongside pertinent regional listings relevant to the brand's location and industry. To cultivate local interaction, SEO professionals should initiate optimizations for a brand's knowledge graph panel, its Google My Business listing, and its social media profiles as a preliminary step. Furthermore, substantial attention should be placed on user evaluations on Google, along with other review platforms such as Yelp, HomeAdvisor, and Angie's List, depending on your specific industry, of course. Conducting research is evolving into an indispensable facet of SEO, and the significance of up-to-the-minute research is steadily escalating. Employing SEO strategies to effectively communicate your offerings of attractive deals, innovative products and services, and the significance of reliability of what you provide to customers holds the potential to revolutionize the landscape. When executed skillfully, this approach is bound to exert a favorable influence on the purchasing journey. Brands must secure their visibility in the precise locations where individuals require their presence, paving the way for meaningful connections to be established. Local SEO amplifies this visibility and empowers potential customers to locate the solutions they seek, along with the businesses that furnish them. Implementing SEO strategies across a brand's digital platforms is indeed commendable. However, if this is a short-term endeavour due to budget limitations or other factors, and the website isn't consistently reassessed over time, it will eventually plateau in its progress due to external barriers. The dynamic evolution of the search landscape, largely driven by Google's discretion, necessitates ongoing vigilance to remain ahead of competitors and ideally maintain a presence on page one. Proactively staying ahead of substantial algorithm shifts invariably bestows advantages on the brands that adopt such practices. Considering Google's multitude of algorithm modifications each year, falling significantly behind could pose substantial challenges to recover. SEO professionals play a pivotal role in ensuring that such setbacks are averted. Navigating the perpetually evolving landscape of the World Wide Web can prove to be a formidable task, especially when it comes to remaining abreast of the unfolding modifications. Nonetheless, maintaining a proactive stance in the world of SEO necessitates an up-to-date awareness of the significant transformations unfolding within the search domain. Acquiring an understanding of the web's milieu, encompassing strategies employed by local businesses and competitors, holds advantages for such brands. Certainly there is a financial outlay involved. However, as is often the case, the most valuable endeavours come with a price tag. I mean, isn't that true? Considering the broader context, SEO proves to be a cost-effective venture, and the potential gains are likely to be substantial in bolstering a brand's financial performance. This isn't merely an expense in marketing, it constitutes a tangible investment in the business itself. A well-executed SEO strategy will continue to yield benefits over an extended period. Similar to many aspects of life, its efficiency grows with increased attention and dedicated resources. SEO plays a pivotal role in cultivating enduring value for your brand. Attaining a strong position and a favourable standing in search results contribute to enhancing your brand's reputation. As individuals search for news and associated content, a robust SEO and PR strategy ensures heightened visibility for your brand. An optimal user experience on your website ensures effective message delivery, paving the way for successful sales of your products or services. SEO has evolved beyond an isolated channel, integrating it with content and PR efforts, bolsters brand outreach and awareness, complementing a range of outcomes. SEO has the potential to generate discernible outcomes within the initial year of implementation, and numerous of these efforts will yield enduring effects spanning several years. Adhering to the market's progression, it's indeed prudent to vigilantly track and adapt to prevailing trends and shifts. Yet, even a website that hasn't undergone an extensive overhaul based on intensive SEO recommendations can witness improvements by embracing fundamental SEO best practices on an authentic platform characterized by a satisfactory user experience. Furthermore, the allocation of more time, dedication and resources to SEO endeavors stands to enhance a website's longevity and competitiveness within its market segment. SEO offers measurability. While SEO might not provide the same straightforward and easily calculable return on investments as paid search, virtually any aspect can be quantified through meticulous monitoring and comprehensive analytics. The primary hurdle resides in establishing casual links on the back end, given the absence of definitive means to decipher the intricate interplay among various actions. Nevertheless, it holds substantial value to grasp how specific actions are protected to impact performance and expansion. And ideally, these effects materialize. Competent SEO practitioners are dedicated to achieving these enhancements. Brands also harbor a desire to ascertain their past, present, and prospective digital performance, particularly in the realm of SEO, when they have enlisted an individual or entity to execute these strategies. Furthermore, there is no superior method to showcase the triumphs of SEO, and as a universally acknowledged fact, data remains an unequivocal source of truth. Top-notch SEO will consistently unearth and capitalize on novel avenues, ensuring that brands not only gain visibility, but also radiate prominence. Delivering impeccable SEO services to brands necessitates fully immersing an SEO team into the very essence of a brand. This is the exclusive route to authentically market a brand. The deeper the comprehension of the brand, the more avenues emerge to bolster its prosperity. Contemporary SEO unveils diverse opportunities, ranging from facilitating content, social and digital enhancements, digital and social advancements, to actively contributing to sales, product enhancements, and customer service strategies. The landscape of SEO is shifting towards a zero-sum dynamic, underscored by zero-click SERPs that present answers directly atop Google's search outcomes. User search intent is fulfilled without necessitating engagement with any actual search result links. It's a well-established fact within the SEO realm that failing to secure a position on page 1 can hinder your success in the organic search arena. A recent analysis underscores that the initial free rankings in organic search accrue more than 50% of the click-throughs, while a substantial portion, up to 30%, of outcomes on page 1 and page 2 evade any clicks at all. So what does this mean? Well, it means 3 things. 0 clicks results win. If you're not on page 1, you need to be. There are still too many instances when a user types a search query and can't find exactly what they're looking for. The demand of online products and services from consumers remains constant, prompting brands to perpetually seek the most economical approach. As the function of SEO evolves and strategies undergo modifications, fresh pathways continuously emerge, presenting diverse access points like voice commands, applications, wearables, and the Internet of Things. ComServe Inc. predicts a remarkable surge in the market worth of next-generation search engines, driven by profound neural networks and machine learning, forecasting a growth from $14.9 billion in 2019 to $55.7 billion by 2025. Over the past few years, the scope of SEO has undergone substantial growth. Specifically, SEO serves as a valuable resource for consumers in times of requirement, and the incorporation of robust, high-caliber SEO across a brand's online assets proves advantageous for both the brand and its marketing endeavors. While SEO presents its fair share of challenges, the opportunity it presents contribute to safeguarding the lasting triumph of various business ventures, and they remain pivotal to a brand's online visibility, both presently and for times to come. If you've liked what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more great tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.